안녕하세요. Are you planning to visit a Korean restaurant soon? Learning a few phrases in Korean will add to the fun of the experience. My name is Sienna, and today I'll be teaching you 10 Korean phrases that come in handy when you visit a Korean restaurant. Let's get right into it. 4명 자리 있어요? Is there a table for 4 people? A quick note here, in this phrase, the word myeong means person or people. However, when the restaurant staff asks how many people are in your party, they will use a different word. Can you guess the word? I'll give you some time to think about it. I'll come back to the answer after I cover the rest of these phrases. Let's continue. menyupan juseyo. Please give me a menu. chaesik yori isseoyo? Do you have vegetarian dishes? igeo maewoyo? Is this spicy? maepji anke yori해 주세요. Please do not make this spicy. galbi sainbun juseyo. Please give me 4 orders of galbi. soju 1병 주세요. Please give me 1 bottle of soju. yurijan 3개 주세요. Please give me 3 glasses. 몇 시에 문 닫아요? What time do you close? 카드 돼요? Do you take credit cards? There you have the 10 useful phrases you can use the next time you visit a Korean restaurant. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that myeong means people in Korean. You can use this to talk about yourself. There's another Korean word for people, which is 분. You might hear the restaurant staff ask you, 몇 분이세요? It's a polite way of asking how many people are in your party. However, you wouldn't use 분 to talk about yourself since it is an honorific word. You would only use it to talk about other people. When you reply, make sure to use myeong. For example, you can say 4명이에요. This means there are 4 people. If you'd like to learn more, we have a resource page on Korean restaurant phrases. I'll put a link in the description below. If you like this video, remember to press the like button and hit subscribe to get notified of the latest videos. What restaurant phrase in Korean would you like to learn? Let us know in the comments below. 다음에 또 봐요.